I would introduce it as Jewish soul food. It's the only way I could introduce it. And you come on in, and what do you eat? The effect that the deli has on certain types of Jews, and it's really the older ones, you can't imagine. I still remember a person coming into the deli, I would say about 6, 7 years ago, walks inside and goes, I smell Judaism. Now, unfortunately, that's all that's left to this person from his Judaism. They are reminded of the different foods they would eat at home. So you can have the chopped liver, you can have the gefilte fish, you can have the chicken soup, you have the pastrami corned beef sandwiches, tongue sandwiches, the other soups, mushroom barley or pea soup, the kasher varnishkes and the egg barley, flanken, stuffed cabbage. God, I'm getting hungry. And other chicken fricassee.